Okay, this is our number for the show. TJ, hit it. We're the singing, dancing Duncans, quite a happy bunch. We always work together, breakfast, dinner, and lunch. You will always see us smiling, evening, noon, and morn. We all start our day the very same way, when Charlie blows her horn. And Charlie blows her horn, what do you think?
It's just 2 days past to Super Adventureland, right?
That is correct, sir. Okay, now I'm going to show you the dance that goes along with it. The first move, very simple. I call it the chug, kind of like what a train does. Okay, you guys line up and you do it. Daddy in front. PJ, Teddy, Gabe.
Excuse me. I guess Dad's the engine. I hope so. If he's the caboose, the train's not getting very far.
Engine has ears, guys. And feelings.
Okay, ready? A 5, 6, 7, 8, and... Honey, you're not moving your feet.
Sorry.
Okay, now you're not moving your arms.
Honey, this is hard. It's just like patting your head and rubbing your stomach. That must be really depressing for you.
Okay, let's assume we got the train into the station somehow. Okay, this next part is a little tricky, so watch carefully. I'm gonna break it down. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, step, pop, and break, kick, step together, front and passe. Bam! Now we're gonna sass it up a bit. A shoulder, shoulder, tap, tap, turn around and and wang it, and wang it, and wang it. Okay, now I want you to do exactly what I just did. At a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. What are you waiting for?
10 years of dance lessons?